How to track stand. First, pull your front brake and turn your wheel in one direction. To keep yourself still, you need to push into your pedals just enough to keep yourself still, but if you are facing downhill, hold your front brake to keep yourself still. To get good at balancing side to side, hold your front brake and do not let go. Turn your wheel to one side, then move your weight around to keep yourself balanced. You can tilt the bike side to side and move the front wheel around to keep yourself balanced. Another thing that helps is leaning your top tube against your leg. Once you are good at balancing by holding the front brake, try letting go of your brake and using your pedals to keep yourself still.